Hello and welcome to App Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can check out your drafts on Rednote. So let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open the Rednote app on your phone. If you have saved any videos as drafts, it is easy to pair and you can check it out easily. Click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner of the screen. After you see that, you can see the Creator Center. Right below Creator Center is Drafts. Go ahead and tap on Drafts and you can see some of your drafts over here. If you want to edit your drafts once again, just go ahead and tap on it. It's quite easy. Go ahead and tap on it once again and you can edit it. So if you want to post it, just go ahead and tap on Post. You can select the cover photo as well. And if you go back, you can see the title and description. Go ahead and write it out. Go ahead and tap on Post. Or else, if you want to still save it as draft, go ahead and tap on Save Draft. Click on Confirm, and as you can see, these all are your drafts. If you want to delete your draft, it's quite easy. Just go ahead and tap on the delete icon right below your draft videos and tap on Confirm. And this way you can easily see and check out your draft videos and delete them as well. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well.